Natalie Portman and her husband, Benjamin Millepied, are reportedly attempting to salvage their marriage after it was revealed that Millepied had an affair with a 25-year-old woman. The couple had previously separated but managed to work through their issues. Recent photographs from France suggest that Millepied has been spending time with Camille Etienne, a young climate activist. Sources close to the couple state that they have not split and are actively trying to reconcile, with Millepied expressing remorse and love for Portman and their family. Portman, known for her privacy, is focused on protecting their children. Reports of their marital troubles were said to be an open secret on the set of Portman's upcoming movie. Despite their challenges, the couple was spotted kissing during a dinner, indicating their continued connection. However, a French magazine published images alleging Millepied's involvement with Etienne, prompting further strain in the relationship. Portman and Millepied first met in 2009 during the filming of Black Swan and have 2 children together.